this one. You are my sunshine. That should do. Here we go. You are my sunshine. My only sunshine. My only sunshine. You make me so happy. So happy. When skies are gray. You'll never know. You'll never know. How much I love. How much I love you. Please don't take. Please don't take my sunshine away.
Too fast, and then just give it all you got. Oh, 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 oh. Now I'm tired. Too tired to cook. Yeah, but fire is already burning in the wood. Just like this. Yeah, do you see that? If you want a bigger fire, look for anything dry and flammable, like dry leaves, dry grass, dry hair. Do you want to see a big fire?
Yes.
Do you want to see a big fire?
Yes.
Okay, wait here. Yeah, I'll go get the gasoline. Yeah, in the jungle, there's a lot of coconuts. Yeah, these are just dry husk of the coconut. When it's dry, it's very flammable, but make sure it's dry. If it's not dry, you're gonna have a hard time trying to light your fire. Take the burning particles, drop it in the center of the dry materials, just like this. Okay, and then gather everything together. Yeah, I didn't inhale. I was just cooking. Yeah, but people see smoke from far away. They run down here because they know we are cooking someone. I mean, something. And in the islands, the men dance with fire. See, we dance a lot with these fires because there's no wolves in the islands to dance with. You guys will get it later. Yeah, we only have wild pigs, but wild pigs, they don't like dancing. They just go to luau and never come back. Yeah, today I'm gonna dance for you. Do you want to see me dance with fire?
Yes.
Do you want to see me dance with fire? Yes.